Hey guys, what's up? It's Sarah, and today I am going to be showing you this fall, very chill but glam eye look today, and that is kind of what we're doing today. I give an in-depth tutorial on brushes, how I do each shadow, eyeliner, all that good stuff in a voiceover style. I figured I'd try it. I am really excited actually to do a voiceover for the first time, and we're gonna see how it goes. You guys can come out with this look as well if you wanted to try it at home. Yeah, that is all I got to start. I'm not gonna talk forever. Let's just jump right into the tutorial. Yeah. This is very zoomed in, and I know, and I'm sorry that you have to stare at my skin, but I figured it would be much easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. So that is what we're gonna do today. Hey guys, so to start off this look, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe R37 brush and going in with that Thirsty palette by Jeffree Star that I love so much. And we're gonna dip into the shade up in the corner called Parched. This is the perfect bone color, and I love it to use as a base on my eye. So I'm just going to take this and swipe this all over the lid, just kind of making a nice one cohesive color for my entire lid so that we can blend some colors on top of it. My next step for this look, I'm taking my Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going in with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection in the palette Armed and Gorgeous. I mean, can you even argue? Look at these colors. Are you kidding, as I said on camera? But I'm going in with this yellow shade called Access up on the top row that I'm going to start using in the outer corner, going towards the inner corner. This is just going to be kind of a blended out transition shade. I kind of want this just as my base for a yellowy, orangey look that I'm going to be doing today. So, ooh, and my camera shakes all over the place. Geez, I need to learn how to film better, really. But I'm just taking this and going in my crease and then blending it upwards out towards the brow bone, so that way we get a nice blown out look from this transition color, and we can add some more deep oranges on top of it. My next step is going to be taking a little bit of a darker orange. In this case, I'm using Secure from that same palette with that same brush, that Morphe M573, and I'm just going to go in pretty much over the last color that I just did because I think it needed more of an orange, and it was kind of too yellow for me, so I decided to go a little bit deeper, pick a darker orange, and just see kind of what that did to my look. And as you can see here, it definitely added a little bit of depth and just a little bit more of an orange pop that I think that we needed in this look. Okay, so my next step is taking my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into that same Armed and Gorgeous palette with that army green color called Top Secret. Now this is going to be my crease shade for today. I'm just blending this all into my crease, and oh lord, as you can see, I've decided to do a voiceover at this point because I had music playing in the background. But either way, I'm just tucking this into my crease, making sure not to blend it upward. I mean, of course you want it blended, but for me, I wanted to just keep this right in my crease, tuck it in there, just to give a little bit more depth. Now, I did go back in with my M573 brush with those same orange shades that we used earlier, and I'm just kind of deepening up that look. I felt like it wasn't high enough, so I'm blending them out a little bit more towards my brow bone, just to add a little bit more of a color there that I feel like the look needed. Okay, so the next step in this look is I'm taking my Morphe M513 brush that I love so much and going in with this dark brown shade called Prowl in the same palette. Now I'm just taking this shade and I'm kind of just going on my outer corner in a V motion. This is more just to deepen up the outer corner of my eye, and I really think it just added that little extra oomph that we needed for this look. Now this is where we're at as of right now with the eyes. This is our progress that we've made, and I like how it's turning out so far. So next up, I just am taking my Thirsty palette by Jeffree and going in with that Parched shade that we used in the beginning on my Morphe M573, and I'm just kind of taking this and basically blending everything out a little bit more just to make sure there is no lines or anything that looks a little bit untidy. So this is just kind of cleaning things up. Okay, so next up, I'm just taking my concealer brush, and I use this all the time for shimmers. It's so good. And I'm going in with that same palette with that gold on the top called Coin. Now, this gold I am absolutely obsessed with. It's so bright and you can really see it from like a mile away. It's so beautiful, and I decided it would be perfect to add a little pop of gold to my eye for this look. So I'm just going to pop this all over my lid. Now I'm just going back in with that M441 brush with that shade Prowl on it that we used on the outer edge of our eye, and I'm just going back in to blend these two together. I think this is really great just to get a more blended and more of a gradient instead of a harsh line of where shimmer is and then where that dark brown starts. Now I'm just going to be taking my Morphe M506 brush. This is a little bit more of a detailed brush for under the eye. I am just going to be taking that Agent color, which is the same one we used in the beginning, that orange one, and I'm just going to go under my eye lightly and just kind of blend it out for a little bit of a base under our eye. Now, with that same brush, I'm going to be going in with a little bit more of a brown. This one's called Smooth Criminal from that exact same palette, and I'm just putting it in the same place where I put the other one, but not blending it out quite as much. Just to clean things up a little bit, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M573 brush and just going in with no product on it, like I mouthed to the camera, and just blending these two together just to create a nice blended look under the eye. Almost done with this look, I promise. This is the Morphe M432. It's a very thin, detailed brush, and I'm just taking this Prowl shade that we used earlier and going on my top waterline. If you're like me and somebody that doesn't like to do liner on the top portion of your eye because it waters, this is perfect just to stamp it on so you're not really dragging or tickling your eye. So this is just a comparison with and without that I was just showing you, and I really love this. I think it's super pretty and it really does add dimension. Next up is eyeliner. I'm taking my Revlon Color Stay Skinny Black Liquid Liner from literally Walgreens down the street. I love this stuff so much. It is not waterproof, just to put that out there, but the tip applicator is absolutely amazing for a super precise line, which is what I'm using it for today. Just a nice thin line on the top lash line, because I want the eyeshadow to be the star of this look today. I do want to note that I did put some black liner on my waterline before I started my top liner. Just figured I'd let you guys know, but it's something that I didn't feel like I really needed to explain. But here we go with the thin line. I'm going to do that on the other side as well. For mascara, I'm using my Unique Moodstruck Epic Mascara. I'm literally telling you to buy this because of how good it is, and it really is that good. I cannot describe it enough. This lengthens my lashes so much. My godmother recommended this to me, and immediately I fell in love with it. I mean, look at my lashes. That's with one coat, you guys. One coat. For lashes today, I'm going in with the Kiss brand lashes in the style Pixie. I love them a lot, and here's why. So on the inner corner, they start off super, super small, and then they get longer and more fluffy as you go out, which is the biggest reason why I love them. I'm going in with my Duo Lash Glue, the white or clear one, because I am a mess with the black one, so I always use the clear stuff. But this is what they look like on. They are so pretty. Obviously, the glue has not dried yet, but, oh, love. Love them so, so, so much. I don't think you guys are ready. I really don't. Luna highlighter in the shade Calypso. I have talked about it so many times on my channel. This gives you the most pretty glow. I mean, look at my face. Look, I am shining. I am glowing like the sun. Bonus points to whoever can tell me what song I'm singing right now. I'm just going in with my Maracuja oil on my lips to moisturize, and then going in with Jeffree Star in the shade Christmas Cookie that I have used multiple times on this channel before. This is our finished look for today. I think it's super pretty, super fall, and it's actually not super crazy, which I like. I like that we let the eyes stand out and didn't do a full-on wing liner. The highlight is poppin'. Oh yes, girl, we slay. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial voiceover style. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button down below. But I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to come back on Sunday. Mwah. Bye, guys.